CDM 6060 Crawler Hydraulic Excavator is the Efficiency King excavator series launched by LONKIng, which is equipped with Yanmar engine, adopts the new cab and new cooling scheme, comprehensively optimizes the process of structural parts, and comprehensively upgrades the display and control system. The excavator can be used for excavation, loading, and unloading. The standard working equipment is used for soil below III. After special attachment is configured, it can be used for crushing, dismantle, timber grabbing, and steel material grabbing. Moreover, it also has the function of bulldozing and loading.